this final holiday series video, I will be showing you how to create some wall art. It brings a unique and different element to your traditional holiday decor. I am using leftover hardwood flooring as my board. You can use wooden fence or find these wooden art planks at the craft store. I want to whitewash and give it a rustic look, so I am applying a thin coat of white acrylic paint onto the edges. A little dab of white goes a long way. Smudge it a little with a napkin to lighten the stain. Let the paint dry completely. Next, I print out the letters J and Y as big as possible to fill the width and length of the individual planks. Using a regular piece of chalk, I scribble the chalk all over the back side of the printed letters. Position the letters onto the wooden board and trace the outline of the letter to get an imprint of chalk onto the wood. I will be creating the word joy, but you may notice I did not print the letter O. I will be using a wreath as the letter O. Once you have an outline, then you can paint the letters. However, I am using a Sharpie pen because it's much easier. If you plan to put this outdoors, then make sure you find a waterproof marker or paint as it will not smear. I am doing the same for the letter Y. The last thing to do is add an O. I created a miniature wreath with tinsel garland. Using a hot glue gun, I attach the wreath between my letters. You can do this for the words Noel or even Hope. For my second piece, I am making it bigger to hang my stockings. Off camera, I stain the wooden planks white. I'm using these decorative deer head ornaments as the hooks. Hang these stockings onto the deer head. Since my stockings are miniature size and are not heavy, I am using hot glue gun to secure the deer head. I glue the wooden planks together off camera with E6000 glue. You may want to use E6000 glue or a stronger glue if you are hanging something heavier. I decide I want to add specks of white paint to make it look like snow. Dip a damp toothbrush into a white paint and flick it throughout the board. The next step is optional. I spritz on a thin layer of adhesive spray, then I sprinkle on some gold glitter to give it that sparkle. Let the glue and paint dry completely. Then add extra decor onto the art pieces to add interest. These wall art are super easy to make and brings a festive style to your holiday decor. I hope you find time this Christmas season to create and personalize some of your decor with my holiday series video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!